Hello ladies and gentlemen. Our group consists 3 people. That is me, myself, Myra, Bakis and Ainin. We are students from Digital Technology who would like to present you about Language Translator. Let me start by giving you some background information of translators. Translator is a program written in a high-level language is known as source code. However, computers cannot understand source code. Before it can be run, source code must first be translated into a form which a computer understands. This form is called object code. Overall, translator purpose is to translate a high-level language program into a machine language program that the central processing unit that known as CPU can understand. It is also detects errors in the program. A translator is a program that converts source code into object code. Generally, there are 3 types of translator. 1. Compilers. 2. Interpreters. 3. Assemblers. Compilers. A compiler takes the source code as a whole and translate it into object code all in one go. Once converted, the object code can be run and existed at any time. This process is called compilation. Interpreters. An interpreter translates source code into object code one instruction at a time. It is similar to a human translator translating what a person says into another language, sentence by sentence as they speak. The resulting object code is then executed immediately. The process is called interpretation.
Next is assembler. Assembler are a third type of translator. The purpose of an assembler is to translate assembly language into object code, whereas compilers and interpreters generate many machine code instructions for each high-level instruction. Assembler create one machine code instruction for each assembly instruction.
Okay, now I'm gonna talk about difference between compiler and interpreter. A compiler translates the entire source code in a single run. An interpreter translates the entire source code line by line. In compiler, it consumes less time. It means it is faster than an interpreter. Interpreter is consume much more time than the compiler, which means it is slower than the compiler. Compiler is more efficient, but interpreter is less efficient. Compiler CPU utilization is more, but the interpreter CPU utilization is less as compared to the compiler. Compiler both syntactic and semantic error can be checked simultaneously. Interpreter only syntactic error are checked. Next, the compiler is large, but the interpreter are often smaller than compiler. Compiler it is not flexible, but interpreter is flexible. Compiler, the localization of error is difficult. The interpreter localization of error is easier than the compiler. Compiler, a presence of an error can cause the whole program to be reorganized. But interpreter, a presence of an error causes only a part of the program to be reorganized. Compiler is used by the language such as C and C++. Interpreter is used by language such as Java. Next, difference between compiler and assembler. Number 1 is operation. Compiler translates high programming language code to machine level code. assembler convert the assembly level language to machine level code. Number 2 is input. Source code in high-level programming language is compiler, but assembler is generally does not convert complete code at one time. Number 3 is conversion type. Compiler check and convert the complete code at one time, but assembler generally does not convert complete code at one time. Number 4. Component. Component lexical, a compiler, lexical analyzer, syntax analyzer, semantic analyzer, code optimizer, code generator, and error handler. Assembler those work in two pairs. Number 5 is output. Mnemonic version of machine code. For compiler, assembler is binary version of machine code. Example for compiler is C++ and C and Java compiler. For assembler is JAS, GNU, and GNU.
Lastly, the function of language translator. The main purpose of the translator is to make the machine understand the program written in low, assembler, and high-level language.
That's all from us. Thank you for your time and attention today.